Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix battery percentage stuck on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you are using iPhone and you see that your battery percentage is stuck on a specific number, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply restart your device and you have to check whether your battery percentage drops or not. If it is still there, then there will be issue related to your battery. So how you can fix that? So you have to do some settings. So first one is clean the charging port. So first you have to do is you have to clean your charging port and charging cable, so that this would be a simple way to fix the iPhone battery percentage stuck, which means if you are charging your iPhone and it is not increasing battery percentage, then you have to simply clean your charging port. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply disable optimize battery charging on your iPhone. So for this you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to battery, and you have to go to battery health and charging, and you have to turn off battery optimize battery charging. So here you can simply turn off, because it stops charging when you pass 80% until you need it to use. So this way you can simply turn off for that. The next thing you can do is you have to hard reboot your iPhone, which means you have to simply restart and hard reboot your iPhone, and you have to check whether your percentage is updating or not. And the next thing you can do is you can simply check whether you have installed the latest iOS on your device, and you can also check for iOS systems problem on iPhone. So here you can simply check for all the details here. So what is you have to do is you have to reset your date and time feature, and after that you have to run out of the battery. So you have to simply use the battery, and after that you have to drain all the battery, and after draining you have to charge it again, so that it can decrease or increase your battery percentage. And you can also check for your battery health, and if your battery health is very low, then you have to simply replace your battery, because now your battery cannot support your iPhone. So you can also contact Apple to fix iPhone battery indicator stuck. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.